He's like, what are you doing?
And then let them walk over your lap.
No, they'll take it out of your hand, so just have it long. Just set it down. See these here? Those are young. That chubby, that one there.
This one?
These two are funny. You can see these here, but you can see how they're skittish.
Mm-hmm.
This one's not.
Try picking her up, babe. Go ahead.
Real light there.
Yeah. See, so soft. It's a pretty chicken. It's a pretty chicken. Hey, hey. Chuck, chuck.
See, when you try to pet these are skittish. They're young. These ones here. Is that one over there?
One of them.
One of those black and white ones? Oh, nice. Stand, kind of get close to her. You lean down, grab both sides, you press right here. And then you just pick her up. It won't hurt. And then you relax and just behind her head. Here.
That's Sandy.
Yeah, it's Sandy.
She's the mama?
She's the one that's the most tame. They pick her up most.
But she's the mama to the other ones? The other light ones?
This is my chicken baby.
You picked up that.
My baby. She's gonna shit on me, probably. Hi, Sandy. Sandy, you wanna touch a little gobble thing? Get a picture.
While it's recording or what? How
You can.
Okay.
I think she might have farted.
He can just hand her to her. Yeah, he can.
Her.
So you don't have to pick her up.
You have to pick her up. Not gonna hurt you.
You good?
Well, that was fun. I picked up Sandy. We're good. She's my homie. I mean, you know, when in Hawaii, you have to pick up a chicken. It's just, why not, right? So we're about to hit up Kihei this day, and we're gonna go find a food truck, get something to eat real quick, and we're going to go find a beach, hang out, relax, chill, and get some monkey pod later. I think that's a good plan. And just kind of go with the flow, you know. As we meet up with our friends, we might change. We'll see. I don't know, but we're kind of excited because we haven't actually met up with them. While we're gonna do a thing tomorrow, but it's kind of cool to be up in the air and just kind of go with the flow and see what happens. Because it's Hawaii, baby, good spot right here. It's called Keali Pond National Wildlife Refuge. Very interesting. Like right here is the ocean right next to us. It's pretty fun. You can see the other island over there. Hello, island. You can literally park anywhere and get beach access. I mean, just pretty much anywhere. Steady people live out here too. Like, it's interesting. I mean, I guess if you didn't have a place to go and you wanted to, you could just maybe get a vehicle or maybe even hitchhike, like some people do, and then just come stay on the beach for like a week. You probably need supplies for that though. Ski road. We were just talking about how it feels really different on this side of the island as well compared to like where we're at, and even a little bit different than what was the other place over there? I'm very confused with all these names. I'm trying to keep up with them, but I think it was Lahaina. Yeah, Lahaina was even felt a little bit different, more corporate like stuff because the corporation's over here with all the resorts and whatnot, but over where we're at, it's a little bit less of that, you know, where Costco is and the airport and stuff. And there's more homes. Very, like, just a little city, cool little city. But I like it. It's cool. It's different. It seems like there's a lot of people over here. There's more locals on the other side. It's a new day, a new adventure. Let's go. A lot of everything over here. There's no really big signage that you could see necessarily. Oh, there's like a park. Cool. But it's a food land over there. Over here at Food Land, we were gonna go in here and check and see if they have some masubi, I think it's called. All right. And to Food Land we shall go. So this place is cool. I have like some mad like Malibu vibes from this place. Like reminds me of like Trancas Market and all that. Yeah, I know. If you know what that is, I think you would know. I know Paul knows. This is all Boar's Head. Pam, she would probably set her table up right here or something. You know, this is a lot of good stuff. Well, this is a lot of what we've been eating throughout the week because she has all this cheeses and meats and stuff. So good, really, really good. And so we found the masubi. Is that what it's called?
Oh, I think I said it wrong.
Did you?
Musabai?
Musabai? I don't know. We're not locals.
I keep saying it wrong.
Oh well. Musabai? Yeah, like let's get one. That sounds like a good lunch. Let's do it. I'm definitely doing spam for sure.
There's a shrimp turquoise.
I want spam though, for real. That just sounds good. When in Hawaii, you might as well go with the spam. That looks awesome, actually. So you see all that boar's head over there? And yeah, Paul told me to get Portuguese sausage, so this has Portuguese sausage in it, so that sounds really good and it looks good too. So I'm gonna try that and see what it actually tastes like, you know, because this is more of a local flair, I think, is what we're going for here. You know, makes sense, right? Then you got all these different. Looks like some really good stuff, man. I'm liking it. Oh wow! Now that looks like some legit sushi. Oh, it's got mango on top of it right there. It's a tropical tuna crunch roll. That sounds awesome. I just love all the different Hawaiian styles they have. But we love this pog juice. It's really good. Even a little pog juice right there. Yeah. I actually am getting an island seltzer, I think, to try with the meal and see how it tastes. Also getting Oh My God Hazy IPA. Look, we got a whale over here. Haha. Yeah, it's a beached whale. It's a little park. We're gonna go over here. I think Makena Beach is this way. I'm not sure where we're at exactly, but oh, I remember seeing this on a vlog. This place right here. This is where the Four Seasons is over here. This is where the golf course is over here. The points. I think, exploring. This is really pretty over here, actually. I do like the. Oh wow, that's an interesting looking hotel. This is the Fairmont. Okay, cool. Pretty interesting. How different each side of the island is, really. I do like where we are staying. And we have more hot trucks over here near the beach we're going to. This is Jazzy's Kitchen. I've heard about that place. Fish tacos. What's the name?
Which one's that, Maui fish tacos?
Look like Maui fish tacos. I'm not really sure. Yeah, that sounds good. We're almost to the beach right here. And you can actually see the, oh yeah, here we go. State Park. Interesting. Makena Beach. Come on. Kind of over here in little. We are over here. Here's a speed hump. Park daily fee is $10.
Your destination is on the left.
Alright, so we're just heard an announcement, so we have to see what's up. But I guess there's a warning because this is dangerous tide right now, I guess. The waves are breaking very hard and shallow. So I guess there would probably be not a good spot for snorkeling at this time. And that's kind of what we want to do. We want to see more turtles and whatnot. But he said if you needed to find a different beach, they can send you to one, and we've already paid, so but we're gonna check it out and see, because you know this is what you have here: the dangerous shore break, strong current. This is what you don't really want to, if you're gonna try to see some turtles and whatnot. Doesn't look like there's too many people snorkeling, but this is a sweet looking beach, I tell you. Look at this, guys. This is great. So we're gonna sit here for a little bit, and we're going to get a bite to eat with what we just got earlier, and watch the waves break here, and then go see if we can go someplace else and go find some turtles. And we got some musubi on the beach. I think that's how you say it. Hot spam musubi. Foodland. Good stuff, yeah? Let's try this. I've had this before, we've made it before, but I've not yet. I mean, I've had it on a walk like a long time ago. It was the first time I ever tried it. But we did make it ourselves, and it was pretty good. But let's see. Yeah, we are just chilling over here at Makena Beach. About to have my first bite of official musubi. So good. Let's go in for another bite. So good. I don't know, it's like perfectly cooked spam or something like that. Yeah, we got some nar breaks over here. And this water is just sweet looking. I mean, it's so turquoise color. It's really cool. Guy out there just floating on the snorkel. So this over here is the crater where everybody takes the boat out to, and they go do a snorkeling, I think, something like that. And then this is the other island right there. Yeah, and this is Makena Beach. I mean, it's really pretty. This one's massive too, actually. So lifeguard on this end over here, and there's also a lifeguard right over here. And we're gonna ask them where the best beach is that we can go to, since we already paid, what beach we could go to go see some more turtles or something like that. I mean, unless they're over there by the rocks or something, but it's a little too dangerous for all that. Let's go see these waves. Some nar breaks right in here. Oh, I'm touching the water finally. It's a little warm. It's amazing. Oh yeah, what a trip. Oh yeah, it looks so pretty. This beach is doing some awesome stuff right now. It's moving everything around with these powerful, short bursts of waves here, you know. Right. It's a wonderful day here in Maui, and what would you say we go try out some other place and see some turtles or something? I don't know, but right now we're gonna dip our feet in it, so let me do that and we'll have a good old time, right? All right, so time to go ask my brothers what what we can do, like what's the best beach over in this area that we can go chill at.